Annie discovered that Kevin, her friend, is very sad.
Are you sure about that?
Hi Kevin, what happened? Why are you looking so sad?
See, I got this note. It says you're going to be robbed tomorrow by 12:30 p.m. and if you try to inform the police, I'll kill you. So that's why I'm sad. What's in your pocket?
This is a teleporting machine. You should go to the Hacksmith Industries. They have this teleporting machine and you can buy it from them. And it is very useful and you can buy it from them to teleport yourself.
You're right, Annie. I should also use the teleporting machine. I should go to the Hacksmith Industries right now. I think I'll save myself from getting robbed. Let's go.
Sir, this is for you.
Oh, thank you. Wow, I feel so good.
Yes, sir.
Got him! Got him!
Okay, I'll try to solve it. Fine, let me move it, man.
Sir, you are live. Sir.
We are online.
Yes, sir.
So why did you give me this risky? Take this.
Sorry, sir.
Stay calm. Hey guys, welcome to the Hacksmith Industries.
We take fictional ideas from comics, movies, and video games and make real working prototypes.
Oh my god.
This time, we have brought you an amazing teleporting machine.
Which you can use to save yourselves like Annie and Kevin did.
You all can also buy it and save yourself.
If you wanted to buy this awesome product, you can call us on 1-222-000-444 or mail us on hacksmith@gmail.com.
It's very cheap. Buy it right now or you will miss the 50% off sale.
Not.
It's also available on our store, hacksmith.store.
See you with another exciting and adventurous project. Till that time, bye.
Sayonara, au bientôt, au revoir, and bye bye.
I'm out of here.